Jamaican men have had a long history of excelling in the field of construction, not only on the island but across the world. For example, during the early days of the construction of the Panama Canal, nearly all skilled American workers deserted within a year due to the harsh working conditions according to historical records. And so, those spearheading the canal's construction turned to Jamaican men. According to the Inter-American Development Bank, it is recorded that under French control of the canal project, 12,875 laborers were on the payrolls, and of the 10,844 who came from the British West Indies, 9,005 were Jamaicans. This means that 84% of the laborers on the project at that point were Jamaicans.